Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Doogee S86 Pro to an Android device. Firstly, just open Play Store on both of them and download completely free app called Send Anywhere from this developer. Then open it. Now you need to do exactly the same on both smartphones. Click on I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Following that, choose Send on Doogee and Receive on an Android. Then select all of those dots and tap on Send. This way you can choose all of your content and just transfer it later on. It will take a long time to do that, so I will go with only one photo, choose Send and tap on Got It. Over here on an Android, choose No Thanks and close this window. After that, we have two ways to connect. We can scan this QR code by selecting the scanning icon here on an Android device, tapping while using the app or only this time and pointing our camera at the QR code. But we can also input this key over here and then connect our devices by selecting Receive button. As you can see now, after a couple of seconds, my picture was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!